In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-commerce website in Odoo. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. From there, click on Website to open the Website Management area. This is where you can build and manage your storefront, including product pages and the overall look of your online shop. Once you're inside the website section, click on New. This starts the process of creating a new item for your e-commerce site. When the available options appear, choose Product. That tells Odoo you want to add something customers will be able to view and purchase online. Now enter your product name. Try to make it clear and specific since this is one of the first things shoppers will notice. After that, upload a photo for the product. A strong product image helps customers understand what you're selling and makes the page feel much more professional. You can also add a barcode if you use one. This can be useful for inventory tracking and organization, especially if you're managing physical products. Next, type in the sales price. Make sure the price is accurate since this will be displayed to customers on the storefront. After setting the price, choose the appropriate sales taxes. This step is important for making sure your pricing and checkout setup reflect the correct tax rules. You can also add a website category, which helps organize your products and makes browsing easier for visitors. Once those details are filled in, click Save. At this point, your product is created, and you can move on to improving how it looks on the actual product page. Now edit the name if needed, especially if you want the storefront version to be more polished or customer-friendly. Then add a description. This is your chance to explain the product clearly, highlight important features, and give customers the information they need before buying. Next, edit the price if you want to adjust how it appears on the page. After that, start enhancing the layout by adding some blocks. Blocks let you place extra content on the page, such as text sections, images, or other visual elements that make the product page more engaging. Then add styles to improve the design. Styling helps create a cleaner and more attractive presentation. You can also change themes to update the overall appearance of the page and better match your brand or store aesthetic. When everything looks the way you want, click Save one more time to keep all your changes. And that's how to create an e-commerce website product page in Odoo. From setting up the product details to customizing the final presentation for your customers,